guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to be getting the S10 running and hopefully take it for a spin. So it's really nice out even though it's pretty early in the year. So I went and insured it today and now we're going to get her going. So let's go out there. Okay, so the only thing that I need to do is this V-band leaks, which I think might be some of the noise that I'm getting. So what I'm going to do is I got some header collector gaskets. As you can see, I already have it in there. So I'm going to put one of those in there because if there's any kind of slight gap, that should fill up the gap. It's a minor leak, but no matter how tight I make the V-band and I put new V-band clamps on, I can't seem to get rid of it. So as you can see, it's just the regular 3-bolt gasket, which is magnetic apparently, 3-bolt gasket. And so pretty much we just have to cut off the bolts and then kind of go around. Basically just inside the holes we have to cut off because we just need that little ring. I'm only going to do the one side because I think only the one side is leaking. That'll give me a spare one. Getting a little close there. Don't want to go too close. I don't want to make it too much of a small gasket. We're just left with a little metal-y, gaskety ring, which hopefully will fit in there. Alright, so let's see if we can fit this in there. Hopefully I didn't cut it too small, but you have to cut it small enough so that it doesn't stick out over the top. Now, let me just get this in. I can't really hold the camera and stick it in there at the same time. Alright, so now you should be able to see it in between the two V-bands. And I'll get the clamp back on, tighten it up, and hopefully it's going to be good. I got it all back together, V-band on. So hopefully that's going to cure that leak. Like I said, I'm pretty sure it doesn't leak on this side, but I will try to take a look at that once it's running, and I can always do that one later. That one's kind of hard to get at because it's under the turbo there. But like I said, I'm pretty sure this one doesn't leak. So let's try starting it up and see what happens. And I don't have the keys. I'm hoping that that starts, that this battery's good because it's been sitting, but I charged it not too long ago. So let's see what happens. Give her a couple fuel pump squirts. Oh, I was gonna say, look at that. I mean, it started, but I thought it was actually gonna idle. Usually it doesn't want to idle when it's cold. So I got the truck out of the spot and I actually took it for a little ride to get some soap to wash the truck, and it actually seems pretty good. It seems like maybe there's a bit of an exhaust leak from the downpipe, but even with the stereo off I could barely hear it. So what we're gonna do now is give her a good cleaning before we do any kind of cruising. I have my favorite stuff, Super Clean. It's not sponsored, no one sent us any free stuff, but I had to pay for this.
Works good. I've used it.
It's my favorite thing in the whole world. All right, that should be good. For the engine area.
That's
Alright, now we got the soapy. We're gonna do it, soap it up like all those fancy videos. It's not a Lamborghini, but same kind of thing. Ready to go cruising. I got the truck back in its spot for right now. It's all nice and clean, ready to go for a cruise. But I spent most of the day answering text messages about the Grand Am because I decided to get rid of it. Because like I said in a previous video, I had thought about doing some like low buck V8 swap, but decided that that's not the car for it, and if I was gonna, it would probably be a Cobalt or something. So I put it on Kijiji, and about 500 million people bugged me about it all day, and I think a guy's coming to get it in a little while, so that's good. We'll get that out of here, and then we will be able to bring the Jimmy home soon. So I'm gonna pause this video for now, and then tomorrow I think we're gonna go for a cruise, and we'll take you guys along. So we'll see you tomorrow. All right, what's up, guys? I don't know how good you can see because it's dark outside, because it's nighttime, but we are out cruising. First little cruise of the summer or springtime. Just take a look. I'm smelling lots of smells, but I think it's just like fluid and stuff burning off. Plus I put this stupid wheel cleaner on the turbo housing and stuff, and I think it's just like burning off, and it really stinks. Plus probably on the on here. All right, let's go for a little ride. The engine definitely sounds quieter now. Oh, sounds quieter now than it did last year, so that's good. Not much for traction today. It's cool out. Yes, and I don't know how well this will turn out because it's dark, but and I don't even have an interior light in here other than these blue dash lights. I think I have an exhaust leak at the V-band by the firewall a little bit, so that might be a little bit of noise, but other than that, it's definitely sounds a lot quieter than it did before. Before it was like tick, 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 tick while you were driving, like it was pretty loud. Oh, the smell started to go away. I think it was just stuff burning off. Motherfucking G. All right, there we go, guys. Made it back in one piece. Hopefully, I don't know if any of that footage really turned out because it's dark outside, but hopefully you heard some noises or something. Anyways, that's going to be it for this video. Getting the S10 on the road. It's pretty cool that it's only March and it's already out there. But we could have a storm. We could have snow. Who knows? But it's the start of the season, and hopefully we'll get a bunch of cruising in, videos of that and racing and stuff. So stay tuned.